Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about pass keyword in Python programming. The pass keyword is used when we want to leave a block of code empty. So what's the pass? In Python, for example, in if statement, in else statement, we cannot leave a block empty. Just try it. For example, if I make it empty, you see error appears. I run it, you see indentation error. What he say? Expected an indented block after if statement on line 4. So why we use pass keyword? When you plan to add code later, but you want to keep the structure. So to temporarily leave a block empty, we can use pass keyword. Here I just say pass. You see I run it. Any error appears. So in Django, for example, we need to keep structure clean, and sometimes we write some functions later. So I just say pass. I don't get any error. I will write this function later. So pass keyword prevents errors when you leave a block empty, and also the pass keyword does nothing, just helps keep your code clean and organized. Super. See you in the next lesson.